Testing your beehives to know their level of Varroa Mite infestation is one of the most important beekeeping skills in our honeybee management toolbox. After opening the beehive and removing the insert feeder or one of the frames against the box wall, remove a frame from the brood nest and check it over to ensure that the queen is not on board. Next, shake or brush the bees from the comb into a plastic tub. We like to use a light-colored kitty litter pan. About half a cup of nurse bees from the brood nest are needed, so if the first frame doesn't yield close to that, shake a second one into the pan. Let the pan set while you put back the frames. This will give time for the older field bees to fly back to the hive, leaving behind mostly young, newly hatched nurse bees, who are carrying the highest infestation of mites in the population. It's time to measure out half a cup of bees for the sample. Check the bees in the tub again to ensure the queen is not with them, because the bees in the sample will not survive. Shake the bees into one corner and measure out half a cup of bees and quickly pour them into the alcohol in the tester. Return the remaining bees to the hive. Holding the container by the top, swirl it in a circular spinning motion by flicking your wrist back and forth. There are about 300 bees in half a cup, so divide the total count of mites by 3 to find the percentage of mite infestation. After spinning the container for about 60 seconds, remove the basket holding the bees. Lastly, strain the alcohol through a fine cloth or paper towel to make it easier to count up the dead mites. We use a nylon stocking stretched over a large plastic tumbler for this.